Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're doing an unboxing of the LG Stylo 3 Plus. I'll tell you why I picked this up so late. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here you can see another Metro PCS bag, and no, it's not the same one. No, it's not the Blade Z Max. I actually picked this up because Metro PCS is having a big sale right now. If you put in a number, and I just picked the LG Stylo 3 Plus because I've heard a lot of good things about this device, and they're saying that it's a cheaper Note alternative. And I actually picked this up as well because I didn't feel like having to order another case, and they gave me a little discount on this one. Alright guys, so here's the specs for the LG Stylo 3. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. It's not like flagship specs, but you could definitely try to use this because I watched a lot of videos on this device. I was watching Mr. Easy Computer Solutions, Tech Right, Paul Tech, and Mr. Everyday Tech as well. And they love this device, so I just had to give it a chance. And we're in between the seasons where there's not a lot of flagships out yet, so I just had to pick something up. So on the inside you do have a removable battery. I've never heard of those. And we do have a fast charging right here, clocked in at 1.8 amps, which is a decent speed for fast charging. Let's get back into focus if we can. There you go. And we have a micro USB cable, which kind of sucks, but I do have a couple of these because I play PlayStation with the kids, so always have that on deck anyways. Let's just pop this out of the plastic and I'll give you my first impressions. So the first thing that I could say is that the phone feels kind of cheap. I'm not gonna lie, but I got it for free. I only paid taxes. And on the inside you do have a lot of information about your device, so I'm not going to show that part, but I could pop it in real quick. And you have a micro SD as well, so you could expand the storage. And the most important part about this phone that everybody loves is that it has a stylus. I mean, it's not an S Pen, but it does have a stylus, and it does have a lot of the similar software that you do find in the Galaxy Note devices, but it looks kind of glossy. So I'm not going to say that it looks bad. I mean, it feels like it needs a case, I'll be honest with you. So here's the case that I picked up. A clear Stylo 3 Plus case. So let's see what it looks like. I'm not sure who makes these cases. This is actually my first case I've bought from a Metro store. So let's see what it looks like. I see that has these black borders here, so I mean, it's the first time I've ever seen that, but you do have the cutout that's for your stylus. So let's just pop this baby in and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so you have the cutout that's for your speaker on the bottom, and we have your micro USB, and you do have a headphone jack as well, and you have a mic up top, and you have your volume up and down on the left side, and also you do have your fingerprint scanner on the back, and you have your camera as well, and you have your flash over there. So as far as the case, you do get a little bit of lip action, and you do have your logo for LG right in the bottom there. Okay, so let's just power this baby on, see what it looks like. Life's good, Qualcomm Snapdragon, and you do have your logo for Metro PCS, and you have a built-in screen protector right over there. So I'm going to peel that off later after I actually pick up a tempered glass for this one. So there you go guys. The Stylo 3 Plus in all of its glory. So if you guys want to buy this product, the link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the LG Stylo 3 Plus and more tech to come. So to the next video guys, peace. It's not bad. Later.